In this class, we are going to see how to track the snapshots of your applications which you have created. Now, snapshots are nothing but those are the copies of your application which you have taken at a particular interval of time. Now, when we activate any application, suppose I activate on this, it will automatically create one snapshot and then it will activate. Now, last snapshot was created at 2:40 p.m. Now, suppose you want to take a snapshot of your work so that you can roll back to that particular snapshot later point of time. So, you can do the same. But the question is how you will track the snapshot. You click on this main menu over here and select this view activity. Here you will see the list of all the details like when you created a snapshot, so on and so forth things. Suppose you want to create the snapshot now, just click on this and it will create the snapshot for you. And again, if you want to create a snapshot, just again, once again, create this, take this snapshot and it will create one more snapshot over here. Now, suppose if you want to activate this particular snapshot, we can just select this. Suppose if you click on this particular snapshot in the menu, you will get activate, view and delete. Suppose if you want to view, just click on this view. It will load your process application like this. So what you had taken the snapshot at particular given point of time, you can just click on this activate and that particular snapshot will be activated. Now let me just go back to this view activity. Sorry, we have to go back to the application like this. Click on this view activity. Here, suppose if you want to click on this and if you are not interested with the changes, you can just click on this and we can delete. So this will be helpful when you have created this application and made the version active and some of your colleagues might come into this application, they modified the details, then you can roll back the changes like this. You can just anytime go like this and we can view the changes and we can make this as active or we can delete the previous snapshots which they have created. So like this, these snapshots are very handy in managing your application.